Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Are you trying to power your robot with Lipo batteries, but you are not sure how to categorize or classify or choose them? So in this video, we are going to cover important battery specs such as milliampere hour, watt hour, and C rating. And in this video, we are going to dive deep into essential topics like charging, storage, and batteries in parallel and series. So let's get started. So at first beginning, what does LiPo even mean? And what is a LiPo battery? So LiPo basically stands for lithium polymer. And in this video, we'll be talking about a 3S HRB 4000 milliampere and 60C LiPo battery. What does it mean, or the 3S means? Actually, it has 3 cells, means that the battery has 3 cells in series. And 4000 milliampere hour refers to its capacity of 4000 milliampere hours. The 60C refers to its C rating, which tells us how much power the battery can deliver safely. And this is the specific battery I have been testing, and we'll be using it to explain the concepts in this video. So the 3S means the battery has 3 cells, giving it a nominal voltage of 11.1 voltage. So now let's talk about one of the main specs you will see for batteries, milliampere hour. Milliampere hour, also known as capacity. Tells you how long the battery will last before needing to be recharged again. For instance, our 4000 milliampere 3S Lipo means the battery can output 4 amperes for 1 hour or 1 ampere for 4 hours, theoretically speaking. But in practice, due to efficiency losses, you might see slightly different performance. So, now what about the C rating? This is another crucial spec. The C rating basically indicates the maximum safe discharge rate of the battery. In simple terms, it tells you how quickly the battery can release its power. For example, the 60C on our HRB 4000 milliampere means it can safely discharge 60 times the battery capacity. Okay, and for our 4000 milliampere hour battery, this would give us a maximum discharge current of 240 ampere. But remember, that's the absolute maximum, and you should never discharge at that rate continuously. So when charging Lipo batteries, it's so important, extremely essential also to not exceed safe limits. Typically speaking, you want to charge between 0.5 C and 1 C, meaning between 2 and 2.4 amperes for our 4000 milliampere battery. Okay, so it's also essential to monitor the voltage levels during charging. The recommended voltage for a fully charged 3S Lipo is 12.6 voltage, and the lowest safe voltage is 9.6 voltage for long-term storage, ideally 11.4 voltage. So, if you want to make sure your battery lasts longer and stays safe, use a Lipo battery checker or a voltmeter to monitor its health. Yeah, also battery has a health, not only human being. Okay. So to give more runtime or power, you can connect batteries in parallel or series. Let's start with the first case, which is in parallel. In parallel, you connect the read to read and the block to block terminals. which doubles the capacity. So, two 4,000 milliampere batteries in parallel would give you 8,000 milliampere while keeping the same voltage. There is no change in terms of voltage. But in series, the second case, you connect the read of one battery to the block of the other. This doubles the voltage while keeping the capacitor the same. Two 3S batteries in series would give you 22.2 voltage, but the capacitor would stay at the same value, which is 4,000 milliampere hour. So choosing between parallel or series, it's up to you. Means depends on your project needs, whether you need more voltage or more capacity. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights and robotics content. See you soon.